wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best bike chain cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. The White Lightning kit comes with 2 bottles of cleaner and a device that lets you wash your chain without removing it. The former are effective, but the latter seems cheaply made and probably doesn't work as well as a bristled brush and some old-fashioned elbow grease. The cleaning device does clip on easily, however it's not a very efficient process, and the bottles are quite small. At number 7, it won't stand up against an industrial strength brand, but Pedro's Pig Juice is still a decent option if you're trying to tidy up your drivetrain without jeopardizing those carbon crank arms. It also won't pollute the environment with toxic chemicals if used outdoors. It comes in 4 and 16-ounce bottles and is fully biodegradable and solvent-free, but you need to use a lot for it to work. Coming in at number 6 on our list, whereas some other solutions contain harsh chemicals that may damage or corrode delicate components, this simple green 20-ounce ensures your bike is protected. It's non-toxic, biodegradable and non-flammable, but still manages to cut through grime buildup fairly well. It features foam action cleansing and is gentle enough for routine washing. However, it's not great for heavy degreasing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike chain cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Bike Medicine Golden is an industrial strength degreaser that's designed to be used undiluted, as well as to wash off easily with water once its work is finished. It's pretty potent stuff, so remember to be careful when dispensing it on your rag or cleaning brush. It comes with a convenient folding spout and is both non-toxic and biodegradable, but it is a little expensive. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Finish Line One Step works double duty to penetrate and flush old lube and contaminants and lubricate with each new application. That makes it ideal for commuters and recreational riders who use their bike infrequently or who can't be bothered with a long cleaning process. It's also available as an aerosol and protects against rust. However, this one's not ideal for serious enthusiasts. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. From a time-tested name in lubricants comes the WD-40 Bike, which is specially engineered for safely cleaning and degreasing your drivetrain and can be used on all surfaces, including carbon fiber, titanium and chrome. It's a favorite among pro and amateur riders alike. It doesn't contain any citrus and is third-party tested and approved, plus it leaves minimal residue. At number 2, the all-purpose muc-off MOX 904 Nanotech isn't just great for maintaining your chain, but for making any mechanical piece look like new again. That means you can also spray it on brake and shock parts without worrying about doing harm to rubber seals, cables, pads or rotors. It comes in an iconic pink color and is an alkaline-based formula. It also cleans disc brakes. And coming in at number 1 on our list, biodegradable but still powerful enough to obliterate all forms of crud. The formula in this Park Tool CG 2.3 chain gang kit is a staple in garages all over. It comes with tools to clean any bike with a derailleur system, as well as many with 3 speeds and coaster brakes. The brush feels sturdy and the liquid is safe on most materials. It's good prep for wax lubes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bike chain cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.